Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your rear tail light on your Honda CR-V. And to start off, we're going to remove these two bolts on the inside. And to do that, we can use a Phillips screwdriver, or you can use a 8mm socket with a ratchet. For these bolts, I always just loosen them with the ratchet, and once I get a few turns, then I'll just take them out by hand with the extension in the socket only. And then once those are out, we're going to go ahead and take both hands and we're just going to grab the tail light and give it a slight wiggle, and that'll help loosen up the retaining clips. And just want to wiggle around the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to go up to the top part and put it between the tail light and the body of the car and just pull out on it. And that will pop the tail light loose from the body of the vehicle. And then on the back side, there's a few plugs that we need to unclip. And to do that, we just push on the tab of the plug and pull out at the same time. And then there'll also be this clip that's kind of held onto the body of the tail light. And you can push the tabs with your finger and then pull out on the side of the wire, and that'll pop that out also. And that is it, guys. Our tail light is out. And then to install the tail light, we are just going to plug the wires back in. And when you push these plugs on, you should hear a click. That means they're seated in there. And then take the tail light and we're bringing it up to the body of the car. We're going to slowly put it up to it, and we want to make sure everything's lined up. We want to pay special attention to this pink tab here on the side. You want to make sure this tab on the tail light is lined up properly with the pin clip, and then also these pins right here on the tail light. You want to make sure they're lined up on the body of the vehicle, and then give it a smack and that'll get it clipped in for you. And then go ahead and reinstall your bolts on the inside here. Always start threading them by hand and then tighten them with the ratchet. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.